rip through these tinder-dry plains. The flames sweep across the savannah at 50 miles an hour, reaching temperatures of nearly 1,000 degrees, consuming everything in their path. Each year, an area larger than Britain goes up in smoke. But this destruction can bring opportunity, if you're prepared to take a risk. Drongos, bee-eaters and rollers bravely pluck fleeing insects from amongst the flames. There's little better than a char-grilled grasshopper. These fires may appear devastating, but they are in fact part of a natural cycle that is essential for the regeneration of East Africa's grasslands.